Click, whir, click. Silence. Click, whir, click. Silence. Sound familiar? Are you playing a frustrating game of will it or won't it vacuum with your Dyson V10? The faulty trigger is a notorious issue plaguing many Dyson V10 owners. It's incredibly frustrating, we know. Just when you think you're making progress, your vacuum decides to take a break, whether you want it to or not. So, what's causing this madness? Well, the trigger mechanism on the V10 can wear out over time. The internal components become damaged or misaligned, leading to inconsistent contact and that frustrating on-off behavior. Think of it like a temperamental light switch. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Ignoring this issue won't make it go away. In fact, the more you struggle with the trigger, the worse it can get, potentially leading to a complete breakdown. Plus, who wants to deal with the headache of a vacuum that refuses to cooperate? Let's face it, a Dyson vacuum that refuses to vacuum is just a fancy paperweight. But don't despair, you've come to the right place. At RoboCare, we're fluent in the language of Dyson triggers, and we understand the V10 inside and out. Our trained technicians have years of experience diagnosing and repairing these issues. We don't just guess, we meticulously inspect the trigger mechanism, identifying worn or broken components with pinpoint accuracy. But enough talk. You want to see results, right? Let's show you the results. Witness the transformation. Consistent power, spotless cleaning. RoboCare brings the vacuum back to life. As soon as the vacuum cleaner was returned, our customer was thrilled about how well it worked and how stress-free it was to clean with it. Ready to ditch the frustrating stops and starts? Visit our website or call us today. Let RoboCare bring your Dyson back to life.